In this video, I will show you how to download my top 15 cinematic vintage LUTs pack, which you can use in Photoshop, Lightroom, Premiere Pro, After Effects, Final Cut Pro, DaVinci Resolve, Apple Motion, and many other applications which supports the LUT preset pack. You can download this pack absolutely free for limited time from the link in the description section below. So you have to go to my website and just download this, and this is a limited time offer, so make sure you download it as early as possible, because otherwise you have to pay the price, and that is the $10 only. So after downloading this, let me show you what you will get. After downloading, you will get this zip file, and you need to extract it using any unzip software like WinRR or 7zip. I'm using the WinRR in this case, so I'll right click and select extract to this, and thereafter you will get all of these files inside it. So these are around 18 files you will get inside it. So these are 15 plus 2 bonus LUT presets. So just download these, and before we go any further, please hit the like button. If you have any question or if you want to say something, leave that in the comment section below. And if you want to support this channel, please download my best seamless transition pack for Premiere Pro. It has 200 plus seamless transitions and elements. These are drag and drop elements which you can just drop over your footage and use it. So these are just amazing best seamless transition pack, and more elements are being added every week. So download these and you will get a lots of value under this pack. So if you are interested at this moment, you will get it at 70% of the, you can see the original price at this time is $49, but you can get it just for $11. So this is a limited period of time. Just download it and use it. So now let's get to the tutorial. So just launch the Premiere Pro. Inside the Premiere Pro, I have this sequence. Let me show you. This is the sequence where I have some clips. So in Premiere Pro, you can apply this individually to any clip. Like just you have to select this one, and thereafter you need to go to the windows and select the Lumetri colors, and that way this panel of Lumetri color would be available. And over here you just need to go to the creatives, and in the look just click on this and click browse, and you need to browse the downloaded folder. So wherever you have downloaded this folder, and inside this now you can see, just select the first one and select the open. This is the 15 one, so let me go from the bottom and select the open, and that's going to apply this LUT pack on this footage. But let me show you how you can apply it quickly on all of these. And so for that purpose, you need to go to the new items in the project panel and select the adjustment layer and press OK, and then you can just rename it. Right click and select rename. Where is the rename? Okay, it's over here, and just rename it LUT. Okay, and thereafter just drop this over your timeline or over your clips and just expand it till the length of your clips. And now if you go again back to the Lumetri colors, if you again go back to the Lumetri colors and again in the creative panels, just browse the file downloaded folder and choose the first one. So I'm gonna sort it out, and first of all I'll take the vintage one and press OK, and boom. So immediately you will get this vintage look. This is how it looks on the first image, and on the second, and on the third, and this is how it looks on the fourth one. So if you want, you can even adjust its intensity right from this creative panel, and there is an intensity option. You can lower it down or you can increase it according to your liking. So by default it's 100%. Okay, and let me show you the before. So this was before and this is after. So this was before and this is after. And now let's choose the second one, and this is the second one. So you can see you will get the very amazing cinematic vintage look for the second one. So let me make it a little bigger so that you can see it clearly. Alright, if I turn this off, so this was before and after. Now let's try the next third one, and boom. Now next, you can see before and this is after. So let me show you one more, some black and white. So I think it's 15. Boom, you can see immediately we are getting a very vintage film look, black and white, old times film look. And let's try the 14 one, and it gives you this kind of a result. And let's go for the 13. So this is the 13 one. Okay, and let's try 12, and this gives you this amazing vintage black and white look. Alright, so this is how you can use this in Premiere Pro, and similarly you can use this in many other applications like After Effects, DaVinci Resolve, Final Cut Pro, Apple Motion, Sony Vegas, and many other applications which supports the LUT preset. And once again, if you want to support this channel, please consider buying my best seamless transition, which you can get at 70% off right now. And this is a limited period offer, and with this pack you will get 200 plus elements, which includes transitions and other LUTs presets and titles and other graphic transitions as well, which you can use, obviously drag and drop over your videos and use it immediately. So thank you so much. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, hit the like button. If you did not like the video, hit the dislike button. If you have any question or if you want to say something, leave that in the comment section below. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please consider subscribing. And if you have not followed me on Instagram, my ID is Instagram/Harshvardhan Art. Do follow me. So thank you so much. Bye bye. Till then, keep shooting and unleash the creative in you. Bye bye.